Hi, I'm Beck from John Pye Real Estate, and this is my colleague Craig. And today we just wanted to speak to you about what's happening in the marketplace in terms of the rental market. So Craig, you were out on the weekend at open homes and meeting lots of new people. What's the word on the street at the moment?
Yeah, so we had a good amount of opens on the weekend. We had consistently good numbers across the board, from units, townhouses to houses in the Berowra and Upper North Shore area. So yeah, it was a pretty good turnout across the board.
So what are tenants actually saying? So potential tenants who you're meeting, what are they saying about the market? Are they saying anything interesting that we could share today?
Yeah, so what we found from the weekend that was quite interesting was that we actually had a lot of tenants that went from one property to the next and to the third one, to the fourth one, to the fifth one. So they actually followed us all the way from the first open to the last open.
They're literally following you from property to property to try and find the right property.
Absolutely.
Okay. So what are they saying? Like what is something that we could share with our landlords that and with potential landlords, if you do have an investment property, what's something interesting that they have sort of shared with you?
Yeah, it's a really good question. I think now more than ever, it's really important for the landlords to be in tune with the market, especially the market condition that we're in at the moment.
Okay.
There is a lot of tenants out there looking for property, but there is also a lot of supply.
Yes.
So I think in the current market condition that we're in,
yes,
it's really important to be pricing the properties right.
Okay.
And because if you overprice it, you will find that you have your property on the market for a little bit longer than you want.
So I guess one of the market conditions that you did mention about the potential tenants following you from property to property to property, they really are searching for something that is exactly right for them and their circumstances. Something that I found that you mentioned to me the other day, which I thought was really interesting, is that tenants are now starting to come in and ask if the property is negotiable in rent. And I guess that is a real a pointer towards the supply-demand factor that we as agents really are on top of week in and week out. And that's something that I just wanted to bring up and wanted you to comment on. So tell me about some of the tenants that you've met and what they're saying.
Yeah, so what we found in the last few weeks, what we found is tenants are actually negotiating and offering on the rent. So what that really tells us is, hang on a minute, they are looking at numerous properties, not just the one that they're coming to inspect on. And also the negotiation power has actually been shifted to on their side in a lot of chances. So in a buoyant and a strong market, you typically won't find tenants do that. But now you're finding tenants are actually negotiating on the rents and actually offering something a little bit lower than what's been advertised.
Wow, that's really interesting. So if you have an investment property that is struggling to find tenants and you need help in that area, we at John Pye Real Estate can help you. You're very welcome to get in touch with us. We do offer free rental appraisals as well and an investment health check. So if you have a property and this offer is on the table forever, if you happen to watch this video and a year down the track and you need help, we are here for you. We'd be delighted to help you with a rental appraisal of your existing investment property, or if you are considering buying a property, we'd be more than happy to do a rental appraisal on that one as well. So if you need any help at all when it comes to property management, please get in touch with our office and we hope that you found today's market wrap up helpful. Thanks so much for watching.
Thank you.